Hello everyone. So if you purchased one of the new Nest thermostats and you have one of these classic two-wire boilers, so a red and a white wire, I have a forced hot air system. Essentially, this is how I wired it. If you buy one of these adapters that are sold for various devices, it's a 24-volt adapter. I will share the link, or you can see it down in the description of the video. So this adapter has one dotted wire, or one that has dashes, as you can see, and one that is just straight. So the one with the dashes plugs into the R along with the red wire from the heater. The other wire plugs into the C, and then that transformer I currently have plugged in the basement. With this configuration, the Nest thermostat functions perfectly. So if you have these two wires and you bought one of these, it's not working. What I did is I essentially installed one of these transformer bricks in the basement. I pulled the cable back up to the thermostat. This way it's powered and it's now working flawlessly. Let me know if you try this or you have any recommendations, tips, but this worked for me.